Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to verify your account on AliExpress. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in aliexpress.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official AliExpress website. Now if you don't already have an account, click on sign in/register button at the top right corner or the register button at the home page within the left side. Now, when you create your new account, you will be asked to enter your email address to continue forward. Just type in your desired email address and then click on the continue button and you will be allowed to enter and set up your password. Type in your desired password and then click on the register button once again. And now you will directly be asked to verify your email address. You will need to check within the inbox of the email address that you used while registering for your account. So log into your email address and you will find an email from AliExpress. Open up this email and you will find the verification code. Type in this verification code and then click on verify email. And now your email address has successfully been verified on your newly created AliExpress account. And now you can start using your account right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to verify your account on AliExpress. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.